All right, today we're talking about fractions. Now here I have my little pizza, and we have our numerator and denominator. This is how we always want to write our fractions. Our numerator is part of the whole, while our denominator is the number of pieces in the whole. So the denominator with our pizza would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of pizza. And our numerator would be part of that whole, part of the 8. We'll see. The numerator can be the number of pieces with pepperoni. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is part of the whole, 4/8. All right, let's look at the fractions down here. You're going to be asked to do fractions that represent shaded parts and unshaded parts. So we have two examples here. Here we have a shape that is split up into how many pieces? What's the total number of pieces in the whole? I see 1, 2. 2 is indicative of the fractional unit halves. Halves. Now we can see how many are shaded. How many pieces of the whole are shaded? Well, one piece of the whole, 1 out of 2, 1/2 is shaded. How many pieces are unshaded? 1 of 2 pieces are shaded. 1/2 is unshaded. So we found our fractional unit, halves, and that stays the same. Our denominator never changes. Because we had halves, we had an option of 1/2 being unshaded and 1/2 being shaded. Let's look down here. Down here we have a whole and some that are shaded and unshaded. Let's see how many are in the whole. How many pieces make up the whole? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know the fractional unit for a shape with 4 equal parts? That's fourths. All right, let's look deeper. How many pieces are shaded? How many pieces of the whole are shaded? There's 1, 2, 3 pieces shaded. And our whole, there are 4 pieces total. So 3/4 of the shape are shaded. Now let's look. How many are unshaded? Well, I see 1 that is unshaded. And we know our denominator doesn't change because we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So 1/4 is unshaded. The important thing to remember with fractions is that the denominator, the bottom number, never changes. The pieces in the whole will stay the same. The pieces you use or shade or eat are what changes on the top, the numerator.